Hey, second graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to be doing something similar that we did on Friday. We will be using square tiles to make rectangular arrays. So you will need some square manipulatives that you used on Friday. Maybe that was pieces of cereal like Life that's squares, maybe Cheez-Its, or maybe you use square Legos, or maybe you cut paper into squares. And you're going to need about 25 of them. So the first step that we're going to look at is you will want to put 10 of them in a row, in one row. And I have done that here. So we have 10 squares in a row. So my question is this a rectangle? Yeah, it's a rectangle. It's a long and skinny rectangle, but it is a rectangle. And we would say that this has one row, and technically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns, right? There's only one in each column, but it is a row of 10. Now, what if I wanted to use this and I wanted to put it into 2 rows? I could take from the bottom here and move it to here, and you can do this at home with your pieces. And we can move it to make 2 rows. And if you do it like this, taking from the end and going down, then you can see how many should be in each row. Now it's equal. So now I have 2 rows, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. I have 1 column of 2, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns. So now for my addition sentence, we could say 5, right? We go by the row. 5 plus, how many is in our next row? 5 equals 10. So that's one addition sentence, but there's another addition sentence that we could say. We could say, let me move it a little bit. Oh, this is what I think. Okay, so we could say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. There's 5 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 2. Plus 2 equals, and we still have the same answer, equals 10. Okay? So these are our 2 addition sentences that we could use. We can do it by row, or we could do it by column. Either way, you still get the answer of 10. Okay. Now I would like for you to make a row, one row of 14. One row of 14. That's what I've done here. One row of 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so here I have one row of 14. One row of 14. And it is a rectangle. It's got 2 long sides that are equal, and we have 2 short sides that are also equal to each other. Okay, so it is a rectangle. And now I would like to use these 14 tiles and put them into 2 rows. So I'm going to take from the end and I'm going to move it down here. You might also think about a doubles fact that you know that equals 14. That might help you solve this. There's 2 rows means 2 of a number equals 14. Okay? I've just changed the color to kind of make it a little easier for us. I know that you guys probably have all one color of whatever you're using. That's okay. Okay, so now we have 2 rows, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each row. And how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 columns and 2 rows. Now for our addition sentence, I want you to think about what addition sentence might you use? Remember, you can do row plus row. How many is in one row? 7 plus the next row, which is 7, equals 14. So there's one addition sentence that we could use. There's another addition sentence that we could do. Do you remember what we did with the last one? We could say, we'll count by 2s. We could say 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. We'll have to do this 7 times. 7 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Equals, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So it still equals the same amount, okay? Doesn't matter which way you add, row plus row or column plus column, you still will get your same answer. So here we had 14. Now what I would like you to do is I would like for you to add 2 more to your 14. So you have a group of 14 right now, and we're going to add, I'm going to delete this, and we're going to add 2 more square tiles. Okay? 2 more square tiles. So now we have 16. And this is one way that we can show 16 by having 2 rows. But I think that we could do this and make 4 rows. Let's see how we can make 4 rows. So 1 row, 2 rows, 3, 4 rows. So I'm just going to take from each of these, make it equal, and let's see how many we would have in each column if we do 4 rows. Okay, look at that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we actually have 4 columns and 4 rows. So our addition sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. Now, we don't have another addition sentence here because this way, if we do by column, it's also 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So this is a square, and there's the same number of rows and the same number of rows and columns. It's the same. So there's only one addition sentence here. Okay? Okay, second graders, now it's time to watch the video to see what your problem set looks like, and then it'll be time to get to work. Bye.